Hello dear children, I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are excited for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, chapter 1, the shape of the earth. We are going to learn about the earth, a planet. Learning points in this chapter is the earth and its shapes. How is the earth and what is its shape? The horizon. The horizon means the imaginary line. The solar system. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Children, we know that life exists only on the earth. Human beings, animals, birds and plants live on the earth. Children, do you know about the shape of the earth? Yes, the earth is shaped like a huge round ball. Children, this picture is of Ferdinand Magellan, a Portugal sailor. In olden times, the people thought that the earth was as flat as a table and that if they traveled too far, they would reach the end of the earth and fall down. This was proved false by a sailor from Portugal named Ferdinand Magellan. This picture shows Magellan's journey. About 500 years ago, Magellan and his crew sailed in one direction without turning back. After 3 years, they returned to the same place from where they had started. These proved that the earth was round in shape. Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is not a flat, it is round in shape. Now the photographs taken by the astronauts from the space. Progress in science has helped man to travel into space. The photograph from space clearly shows the round shape of the earth. Children, if we stand on a hill and look far ahead, what do you find? You will find the earth and the sky meet. But in reality, they does meet? No, they never meet. It is just an imagine. So children, the earth and the sky seem to meet along a line. This imaginary line is called the horizon. At the seashore, we can see imaginary line, the horizon. Look at the picture. The sun is a star. It is at the center. There are 8 planets moving around the sun in fixed path called orbits. Our Earth is a planet of the solar system. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. The solar system is a part of the universe where there are millions of stars and planets. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. The names of these planets in the order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, while Neptune is the farthest. Each planet has different size. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 1, the shape of the earth. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with the new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.